cash prize of 5,000 and a crown to be awarded by Pulong Barangay and the whole council. They will request Judge Alvin to announce the winner.
Okay, so as reiterated, yung score was from the beginning until the last. So it's a unanimous decision. Pare-pareho kami ng mga judges. And the winner for the Munting Mutya ng Balongin 2025 goes to garnering an average score of 94.67. The winner goes to candidate number 5.